Let's say that I want to buy a house. But wait, that's kind of a big decision I'm going to be making. I'm going to want to do some research first to make sure that I'm going to make a wise investment. Luckily for me and everyone else wanting to buy a home, a few wise fellows named Carl Case and Robert Schiller made a really useful tool called the Standard & Poor Case-Shiller Index, which basically follows the housing market and price changes over time. So if we use the Schiller Index to follow, let's say, three cities of Los Angeles, Seattle, and Atlanta. For these three cities, the housing price index will look a lot like this. As you can see, there's a peak in the housing price data, which was most likely from the technology and housing market bubble around 2007. But it burst, causing a huge downfall trend, leaving a ton of people underwater on their mortgage. Fortunately, now the market is on the rise again, so it's looking more and more promising to buy. So, what did we take from all this data? Should I buy a home in LA? Psh, definitely not. Houses cost way too much there. So, how about Seattle then? Less expensive there, but the key word in that sentence was still expensive, so probably not Seattle either. And it leaves me wondering if there's anywhere affordable to buy a home. But that leaves us with one option, which is Atlanta, which those prices are fairly low in comparison to the other two cities. So perhaps I should get a house in Atlanta then. Oh yeah, I'm a broke college student and I really can't afford a house anywhere. Oh well, I'll just buy a pineapple instead. They're like $1.